All right, folks, this is just an update here, all right, on some promos they're running with the new multi-tool. We kind of did this 2 weeks ago. It looks like they lowered some of the price. Remember, we were kind of just talking about how there's no way these prices, could be legit, right? Somewhere up in the $400 range, $500 range. And I even mentioned, don't be surprised. They're just up there, and they make it seem like you're going to be saving a lot of money with the reductions. All right. But you got the surge here and two threes. All right. Now, for some reason, there's no charger, there's no bag. Um, Let me just take a look here. $298. All right. Now we know you can get the multi tool for 150, right? With the two. All right. And you're getting two threes here. All right. And these are the XC. So remember, these have a little bit more juice. So you'll get a little bit better runtime than the CP 3.0s. It's nothing major. It is noticeable. But, again, I'd rather have that CP on these 12-volt tools. They're meant to be small, light, compact. But again, so to spend another $150, okay? And all these pictures have that 3 amp hour battery. You get one blade, a sanding disc, and what's that? Five different types of grit. They're probably all the same grit there. And you're going to get the surge. All right. Again, 129 bare tool for this surge. All right. We haven't seen. I think there was a kit for 149 with a 2. So that's the way to look at it. All right. So the surge 149 with a 2. That's 150. The multi-tool with a 2, 150. So again, are you saving any money? Not really. But you're getting a bigger battery compared to the 2 amp hour battery. So again, probably cost them $5 to make a 2 versus a 3. So they're throwing you a little bone here, but I'm sure most of you would rather see price and cost savings. There's only so many of these batteries that you can have. All right. Now, if these are going to come separate, I'm going to give you a little heads up because I'm getting real sick of this battery stuff. If these all come together as a kit, obviously you're not going to return them, or you won't be able to return them. But if these threes come separate in its own packaging, now you're not going to get money back, but you might be able to get store credit. All right, so keep that in mind. This tool gift savings. All right, 298. This is a really solid jigsaw. It's been out for a long time. Usually has a 119 bare tool price. It's brushed, but when you think about it, this kit, right, is 229 with 1, 2, a bag, and a charger. All right. Most of you guys have the charger already, so it's not a big deal. But this deal's not that bad because you don't really see this jig really any less than $100. Now, there might have been a time it was $89 or something, but that's not too bad of a deal. This is obviously their ratchet, their new fuel ratchet, 150 and 150. I don't think there's really any value here. 298 again. I've done deals, guys, with this one-handed, obviously the M12 one-handed fuel Recip saw. I've done deals with this for 89 bucks on Amazon. $99. We've been able to do hacks with it. 300 bucks. I don't think so. For some reason, I don't understand this. We just did a video on this where we were able to hack this radio here. Now I think it's $119 radio. It was when it came out. Now I don't know what happened if they jacked it up, but you were able to hack this for like $80. Actually, even less than that. I think it came to like 75 bucks, right? So I don't know where they're getting this one. They just might have not reduced the price yet. This is what I'm talking about. This is what they were all kind of priced like this a little bit. I guess they just haven't gotten to cutting the price on that. And here's the 149. All right. I mean, you're almost look at this deal. There's two of them. All right. 298. Yeah, it was 417. You know, it's a better deal. Instead of the two, you're getting the three. If you and a buddy want to split this is a better deal. All right, because instead of the two, all right, you're getting the three. And again, I don't think it makes that much difference with this tool. Obviously, a three would be better. Again, we've done hacks with this crown stapler for, you know, $70, $75, $65. But guys, those hacks aren't going on now. So this is what we got. So if you're into any of this, they threw some promos together with the multi-tool. All right, I'll put the link under. Peace.